How to fix Discord stuck on loading screen. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix if your Discord is stuck on your loading screen. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up Discord. And if it's stuck on your splash screen or your loading screen, then in that case, you need to check your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi network, I suggest you switch over to mobile data. And if you are on mobile data, turn it off and try switch over to your Wi-Fi. Next thing you can try to do is toggle on your airplane mode, because sometimes if there are network glitches, turning on airplane mode will allow you to bypass those and uh, load up whatever is causing the issue. So once that is done, turn off your airplane mode and try to load up Discord again. If you don't see it, and if this doesn't work, long press on Discord, tap on the I button. Once you go over to app info, go to storage, tap on clear cache at the bottom. Once you clear your cache, go back and then tap on permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then finally, you can try to force stop the app. Tap on force stop at the bottom right. So what it's going to do is, if there's anything going on in the background or any kind of background requests, it's going to completely stop it and you should be able to load Discord from here. Now once everything is done, you can just long press on the power button. This menu will pop up. Just restart your device and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.